Introducing the newest member of the iPhone family.
This is iPhone ad.
Hello guys, good morning. I just got home from work. It's currently 9:25 a.m. in the morning and it's September 19. So since I just got home from work, I'm gonna sleep, and later this afternoon, come with me. Hello guys, I'm already here in the car. I'm on my way to Houston Galleria Apple Store and I'm gonna pick up my iPhone Air there, and my pickup time is 12:45 to 1 p.m. Let's go. Hello guys, so let's grab some coffee first before heading to Galleria. I'm still sleepy. I only have like an hour of sleep, so I really need coffee right now. I'm heading to Dutch Pro because it's the nearest coffee shop here. I really need caffeine right now. Hello guys, I got my coffee. It's already traffic and it's still like 12:28 p.m. in the afternoon. Hello guys, I already parked my car. Hello guys, so I got my iPhone Air. I'm still here in Houston Galleria Mall. So next stop guys is Apple Store in Highlands to pick up my iPhone 17 Pro Max. And also I ordered the AirPod Pro 3. I'm gonna pick it up there in Apple Highlands. So, yep, let's drive. So this is my iPhone Air. I got a bunch of stuffs guys. So first I got the iPhone Air in 1TB sky blue, and I also got the iPhone Air battery pack, and I also got the crossbody strap in sky blue, and the iPhone Air bumper, and I got the chargers, cables, adapters. So this is for my iPhone Air. So next up guys is in Apple Store in Highlands. It's still within this area. So I'm going to pick my iPhone 17 Pro Max orange and the silver. I also got the AirPods 3. My check-in time is 2:45 p.m. and it's currently 1:38 p.m. So I still have probably more than 30 minutes. So see you there. I'm on my way now to Apple Store in Highland Village. It's 6 minutes drive from Apple Store here in Galleria. So currently it's 1:54 p.m. and my check-in time is 2:45. So we still got plenty of time. See you there. This is the Apple Store Highland Village. This is my first time here guys, so yep, I'm so excited. Hello guys, so I'm here now in Highland Village. I'm walking now to the Apple Store. It's so hot here in Houston, Texas guys. Grabe. It's already September but it's still hot. Probably this coming October or November, temperature will start to cool down. Hello guys, so I got my iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm on my way home because I still have work tonight. Finally, I got my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I got the orange and silver. And also I got the AirPods Pro 3, the latest one. Let's unbox this, guys.